Hi beautiful people, welcome back once again to Dacty for this channel. I hope you all are doing great and you are staying safe and staying out of trouble. Please, thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. Please, if you happen to be here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much. So today your girl is here with another recipe. I'm coming to share with you how I make my delicious eggplant recipe. This recipe, your visitors, your family, they will ask for more, and they will call you for the recipe after they finish eating this and they go to their houses. So here I have my saucepan on fire. I added in some oil to the saucepan, and then I went ahead to add in some bay leaf to the oil. I'm going to leave everything that I use in this recipe in the descriptive box below. And here I added in a handful of sliced onions. I'm going to fry this onion for about 2 minutes. Then I went ahead to add in my beef. This beef is marinated, so I'm using the stewed beef. You can use chicken, you can use beef. I sometimes use chicken or beef. So here I'm telling you, I marinated it for so very well, and it's very nice. You won't regret trying this recipe. So here I added in a little bit of salted tilapia. That is optional. It's absolutely optional. It doesn't like really, it won't really change the taste of your stew or anything, because it's just a little bit, but I just wanted that aroma at the background of my stew. You know what I mean? So I'm frying this for about 8 minutes, and I'm telling you, the aroma in my house is amazing. I went into adding another handful of sliced onions to this, and then I fried it for about 3 minutes. Yes, for about 3 minutes, guys. The aroma, the I don't know, I'm building a lot of flavors here, and please try this recipe and you will never regret. You won't go back. So here I added in my blender ginger, garlic, anise. Everything that is in there will be in the descriptive box below, and I fried it for about 6 minutes, and then I went ahead to add in my tomato paste. So here I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons of tomato paste in this recipe, and then I fried this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Here, just look at it, it's so beautiful. So on the other side, I'm boiling my uh, eggplant. I added a little bit of salt to the eggplant, and then I brought it to boil. Here I added in my smoked uh, mackerel in this recipe. I added it in, guys. I seasoned this mackerel before I bake it. I have the recipe. I'll try to leave it in the link in the descriptive box. So here, after frying the mackerel for about 5 to 6 minutes, I went ahead to add in my fresh chopped tomatoes, and then I added in a little bit of stock cube to it because I tasted for seasoning and I needed a little bit of seasoning. So I added it in, and then I went ahead to fry all this for about 8 minutes. Yes. So after 8 minutes, here I came to I added in my chopped carrots, green bell pepper. Yes, I added that one in. That is the veggies that I'm adding in. If you can add any veggies of your choice, or you can decide to leave it, but if you know me, you know that I love vegetables, so I try to add vegetables in everything that I eat. So I added this in. You can add any veggies that you love to it. Add what you love, use what you have in your kitchen. Just make this recipe yours. Yes, you can make it yours. It's not strictly that you have to add everything that I added in. You can just use the process, but add different vegetables that you love. So here I added in the rest of my onions to it, and then I'm just going to fry this for just 2 minutes. You know, you don't want to fry your vegetables too much because you want that crunchiness in your stew. Yes, you want that texture in your stew. So after 2 minutes, then I went ahead to add in my eggplant, and this eggplant is already seasoned with salt, so it tastes good on its own. And on the other side, I'm boiling my plantains. Yes, this will go well with plantains. So here is my plantains that I'm boiling. So this is it. Our stew is ready now. Just look at it. At this time, I lowered my heat. I just let it sit on very low heat. Yes, so here the heat is lowered. I just lowered the heat, and then I will just stir it very gently. I was just stirring it so gently. Just look at the stew, and guys, it's so beautiful. And here I just went ahead to add in a little bit of spring onion, that is the green onion. Yes, so for just color and a little bit of that flavor too. So you can decide to skip that part, or you can decide to add it, but I'm telling you, it gives your food color. It makes it appealing, appetizing, appealing to the eye, and it also makes it so nice. It adds flavor to it. Everything you add to your stew will add flavor to it. So it's not just for adding it to its sake, it all play a role in the tastiness, the deliciousness of the stew. So here, this is it. It was looking so nice and so yummy. Just look at it, with all the beef in there, with the veggies along, the onions is there, and with all the mackerel in there, guys. I'm telling you, this stew was heavenly. It was everything, and your girl is having her own. This is my lunch. I'm having it with some plantains alongside some avocado. Back home in Ghana, we call it pear. Every pear is pear, but here they call it avocado. If you go to say pear, they will give you that pear. They will give you that apple pear or something. So but back home we call it pear. You just saw that deliciousness. Just look it up close. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. Please run to that kitchen. Make this for your family. Make this for your friend. Cook this and package it and send it to your mother-in-law. Send it to your best friend. Send it to your mother, your brothers, your friends, and they are going to just thank you. It's so yummy. This is expensive. I'm telling you, the little things makes people so happy. Make this for them, and they are going to love you. And please make sure that you write the recipe and put it in that basket. Thank you, and have a nice day. I love you.